Hi, this is my review of the BrosTrend Outdoor 5K Wireless Bridge Kit. Now, this is a Wi-Fi signal extender. It works up to 5 kilometers, so a little over 3 miles. But it's important to note that it extends a signal you already have. We'll open up and look at the components here in a minute. But you need an Ethernet cable to plug it into your existing router, and the transmitter will send to the receiver 5 kilometers from that. So we'll open it up and tell you a little bit more about it, what comes in the box, and I hope that helps your decision today.
All right, so we have it unboxed here. It comes, obviously, have instructions here. And one of these is the transmitter that you plug directly into the router. One of them is the receiver that you place. It comes with everything you need here. If you look here in the component, you have the power cable. It's important to note that you will need a power source outdoors where you set the receiver up. And of course, a power cable for the transmitter. You have your Cat 5 Ethernet cable that comes. That's very convenient. So that can deliver power to your transmitter along with the Wi-Fi signal. You have some zip ties for hanging. There are a few different ways to set these up. The instructions are pretty clear about that. I'll open this up and show you where everything plugs in. All right, and then we'll take a quick peek at the inside of the instructions on the multiple ways that you can plug these things in. One moment. Okay. Now the bottom here just pops off, almost like a battery cover here. Right, and you've got the space for the Ethernet and the power, and also a reset button. Pretty easy there. Okay, and this one comes off as well to plug in. Okay, and then you pop out the little cable board slots here, and that way you can put the cover back on and protect these from the weather. All right, so we'll take a look at the instruction booklet. There's a couple of different ways, like I said, that you can install these. So we'll show you that, and I hope that helps you. All right. Now for plugging the transmitter in here, you can use the PoE injector here, or you can go directly to power, and there's also a third option for the Cat 5 cord, okay, that delivers power and data. All right, now I won't get into all the instructions. You see they're very detailed, but you do have a couple of methods. The automatic bridging, okay, again, plugging this directly in your Wi-Fi, and the manual bridging, which you will need a laptop for, okay? And it tells you how to set that up. It's pretty clear. Again, that's the BrosTrend Outdoor 5K Signal Amplifier. I hope that helps your decision.